नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज रेनॉल्ड्स एक्सपेरिमेंट इन धिस. ओके, सिम्पल आहे. जे की आता एखादा पाईप आहे, क्लोज्ड चॅनल आहे किंवा एखादा पाईप आहे, तर त्या पाईपमधून जर एखादा लिक्विड फ्लो करत असेल किंवा एखादा फ्लूइड फ्लो करत असेल, तर तो एकतर कसा फ्लो असेल, एकतर विस्कस फ्लो असेल किंवा टर्ब्युलंट किंवा स्ट्रेट लाईन. एकतर जे काही लिक्विड आहे ते पास होणार आहे त्या पाईपमधून, तर एकतर ते स्ट्रेट लाईनमध्ये जाईल किंवा टर्ब्युलंट फ्लो असेल. ओके, आता हेच पाहायचं आहे की एखाद्या ग्लास ट्यूबमधून आपण जर लिक्विड किंवा फ्लूइड फ्लो केलं तर त्याचा फ्लो लॅमिनार असतो किंवा विस्कस फ्लो येईल किंवा टर्ब्युलंट फ्लो असेल. तर हे पाहायचं आहे. म्हणजे टर्ब्युलंट फ्लो असेल तर कसा आणि लॅमिनार फ्लो असेल तर तो कसा, तर हे या एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये पाहायचं आहे. ओके, सो इन धिस, ओके, धिस एक्सपेरिमेंट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ ओके, this is a glass tube. Okay, the first of all, this diagram, okay, this diagram shows the laminar or viscous flow, means streamline or straight line flow, and this flow, okay, zigzag way, this is called as a turbulent flow. आता turbulent flow म्हणजे काय असतील तर जे काही रिव्हर असतील ते रिव्हरचा फ्लो असेल तो कसा असेल, टर्ब्युलंट फ्लो. आणि स्ट्रीमलाईन किंवा स्ट्रेट लाईन मीन्स स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड फ्लो. ओके, like this. Okay, this is a turbulent flow and this is the laminar or viscous flow, means straight line flow. संथ गतीने जे काही लिक्विड फ्लो करत असतील एका स्ट्रेट लाईन मध्ये, विच इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ लॅमिनार. अँड टर्ब्युलंट मीन्स ओके लाईक धिस. सो हिअर this is the okay Reynolds experiment. In that, okay, consider a glass tube which is connected to a reservoir of water. Okay, means here, okay, this is the okay glass tube. Okay, this is the glass tube and it connected, okay, it is connected to this okay colored water, and also it is connected to this wall. Okay, and this wall consists of water. Okay, and then the here, okay, here a reservoir is connected, okay, from this, okay, it is connected from one end of the glass tube with the help of nozzle. Then सिम्पल आहे, याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं आहे, सिम्पल हे आहे ग्लास ट्यूब. ओके, हे कनेक्टेड कशासाठी आहे, इथं कनेक्टेड कलर्ड वॉटर आहे, इथं प्लेन वॉटर आहे. ओके, ही वॉल आहे ॲडजस्ट करण्यासाठी फ्लोला. ओके, सो वेन, ओके, वेन हिअर, वेन वी ओके flow the water, okay, flow the water inside this okay glass tube, then this glass tube, okay, is filled by water. Okay, it is filled by water. After that, okay, we flow the colored water, okay, any colored water, red असेल, ब्ल्यू असेल, ते वॉटर आपण इथून या ग्लास ट्यूबमध्ये फ्लो करायचं. ओके, फ्लो केल्याबरोबर इथून जे लिक्विड पास होणार आहे ग्लास ट्यूबमध्ये, तर ते पास होत असताना ते लॅमिनार फ्लो दाखवते की टर्ब्युलंट फ्लो दाखवते, ते पाहायचे. ओके, आणि ते पाहत असताना आता इथून जे कलर्ड लिक्विड आहे, आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल ब्ल्यू कलर असेल, तर तो ब्ल्यू कलर ह्या प्लेन वॉटरमध्ये ऑब्वियसली नोटिफाय होईल की तो ब्ल्यू कलर स्ट्रेट लाईनमध्ये जातं की टर्ब्युलंट फ्लोमध्ये जातं. ओके, तर हे जात असताना हिअर, ओके, आता एक तर लॅमिनार फ्लो असणार किंवा टर्ब्युलंट फ्लो. सो हिअर इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ अ 2 to 3 assumptions. Okay, it consists of 2 to 3 assumptions. In that, okay, first of all, when velocity of water is low, okay, when velocity of water is low, then the thread of colored water is shown. Okay, जर velocity, वॉटरची velocity slow असेल, कमी असेल, then it shows the okay thread of colored water. Okay, then by introducing similar jet of colored water at different points in the cross section of glass tube, then it can be noticed that no part of the tube okay exhibits the signs of mixing. And another way, okay, the color streams are seen as parallel line, that is the flow of water is considered to be viscous or streamline or laminar flow. Okay, which is called as a laminar फ्लो. म्हणजे काय असेल तर वॉटरची वेलोसिटी कमी आहे, ती कमी असताना काय होणार आहे, फक्त संथ गतीने वॉटर जे काही कलर्ड वॉटर आहे ते स्ट्रीम लाईन किंवा स्ट्रेट लाईन फ्लो स्ट्रेट लाईन दाखवेल. ओके, म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, ते जे काही कलर्ड लिक्विड आहे ते मिक्स होणार नाही वॉटरमध्ये आणि स्ट्रीमलाईन क्रिएट होईल. ओके. And in this laminar flow is one in which the fluid particles move in layers or laminar with one layer sliding over the other. So therefore there is no exchange of fluid particles from one layer to other layer. Hence transfer of lateral momentum to the adjacent layers is not observed. Okay, is not observed. Then second part is that when the velocity of water is increased, means higher velocity ने जर आपण ते liquid flow केलं, okay, then pressure is increases obviously, then the threads of colored water disappears and the entire mass of water or entire colored liquid water is get युनिफॉर्मली कलर्ड और मिक्स्ड विथ इच अदर. म्हणजे जे काही कलर्ड वॉटर आहे ते आपल्या प्लेन वॉटरमध्ये मिक्स होईल. ओके, देन इट इंडिकेट्स द complete mixing of solution and then the flow of water is considered to be turbulent, means it gives the turbulent flow. Okay, it gives the turbulent flow. Then when the flow attains a certain velocity, then it is no longer remains steady. Okay, and all fluid particles are disturbed and get mixed up with each other. So there is a continuous transfer of momentum to adjust layers, such as diffused flow is called as a turbulent flow. Okay, हे झालं second assumption. Then third assumption is that here critical velocity. Okay, third assumption is that critical velocity. So what is meant by critical velocity? In that the change over of the flow from viscous to turbulent is a critical factor. Okay, म्हणजे काय होतंय तर स्टार्टिंगला आपण कमी वेलोसिटीने फ्लो केला कलर्ड लिक्विड किंवा कलर्ड वॉटर, तर काय होते ते स्ट्रीमलाईन फ्लो करतं. पण जर आपण वेलोसिटी इन्क्रीज केली तर इट शोज अ टर्बुलंट फ्लो अँड इट देअर इज अ मिक्सचर. ओके, इट फॉर्म्स अ mixture of colored liquid plus water. Then okay, so the change over from flow of the flow from viscous to turbulent is critical factor. So in this the critical velocity is defined as okay, the average velocity of any fluid at which viscous flow changes into turbulent flow. Okay, then it is called as a critical velocity. Then next point is here. Okay, this is the laminar flow and critical velocity. So here in a Reynolds experiment, the Reynolds number is 1 point is there. So in Reynolds experiment, the flow conditions are affected by 4 factors. Okay, that is a diameter of pipe, means in a meter. Okay, unit is meter. Then average velocity means meter per second. Then density of liquid, that is kg per meter cube. Then viscosity of the liquid, that is Pascal. Okay, then these factors are grounded into an expression as given below, that is Reynolds number, that is Reynolds number Re is equal to du. Okay, is equal to du is the d is the diameter, u is the average velocity, and density, that is rho is the density, divided by viscosity, that is eta. Okay, then the Reynolds number is obtained by the following equations, that is Reynolds number is equal to inertial forces divided by viscous forces, that is हे simplify करू, inertial forces divided by viscous forces means inertial forces, that is mass into acceleration of liquid flowing divided by viscous forces means shear stress multiplied by area. Here the inertial forces are due to the mass and the velocity of the fluid particles trying to diffuse the fluid particles, and the viscous force is the frictional force due to the viscosity of fluid, which makes the motion of fluid in parallel layers. Okay, so what are the applications? So the Reynolds number, okay, it consists of some applications is there. First application is the Reynolds number is used to predict the nature of the flow, that is viscous or turbulent flow in a particular set of experimental conditions. Then second application is the physical stability of suspensions or emulsions. It depends on the rate of settling of particles. Okay, for the study of sedimentation of particle, Stokes law is used. In this study, okay, the rate of sedimentation of particles must not be, okay, too rapid to create turbulence. So therefore type of flow is most important. Then according to Stokes equation is modified to include the Reynolds number, and the rate of heat transfer in liquids also depends on the flow, whether viscous or whether turbulent. Okay, these are the applications of the Reynolds experiment and Reynolds number. So here what is Stokes law? Stokes law is a mathematical equation that expresses the settling velocities of the small spherical particles in a fluid medium. In this law, here the law is derived considering the forces acting on a particular particle as it sinks through the liquid column under the influence of gravity. So here the mathematical expression is that, okay, for the Stokes law, it is F is equal to 6 pi r viscosity, that is eta into V for velocity. This is the Stokes equation.